Hello everybody and welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do get a small commission from any book purchases. Alright, so today we're working on puzzle 49. And let's start with this column here. Looks like we're missing a 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 1, 7, no help here, 1, 7, 9, and a 1 here. So 7, 9. Let's work on this row. Looks like we're missing a 1, 7, 9 again. We've got a 1 there. So 7, 9, a 1 here. So 7, 9. So our 1 has to be here for that row. If we work on this box, we're missing a 1, 5, and 9. We've got the 1 there. So 5, 9, 1 and 9 there. So this is our 5, 9, 1. If we work on this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 7. We don't have any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. We work on this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 6, 7. No help here. There's a 6 there, so 5, 7. Oh, and we've got the 5 there. So that means this is our 7, 6, 5. That 7 means this is our 9. If we work on this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 4 there. So 5, 7. Same here. 5, 7. That means this has to be our 4. Let's see. If we work on this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 4, 5. We've got the 4 there, so 5, 7. And no help here, so 4, 5, 7. If we work on this column, 1, 2, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got the 3 there, so 6, 9, the 9 there, so 3, 6, and no help here, so 3, 6, 9. We work on this row, looks like we're missing a 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here. So 2, 5, but we've got a 2 here. So this has to be our 5. This is our 2. We've got an 8 here, so this is our 9. That's our 8. Did those help us? Yes, so this 5 means this is our 4. So we can get rid of that 4. And that 5 means this is our 7 and our 5. All right, if we work on this column, looks like we're just missing a 1. So we can get rid of that 1, which means that this has to be our 1 for this box. And it looks like because of this 7, the 7 for this box has to be there. Alright, and that 7 means this is our 9 and our 5, 7. To finish off this box, we're missing a 3. That 9 means this is our 7, which would make this our 2, 7. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 and a 5 there, so this is our 9. We've got a 5 there, so 4, 5. If we work on this column, we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got the 2 there, so 8, 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're missing 4 and a 7. We've got a 7 there, So 4, 7. Finish off this box. We're missing a 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 and a 9 there, so 6. We've got a 1 there, so 9 and 1. Let's see. That 6 means this is our 3, and that 3 and that 9 makes this our 6, and this is our 9. So we do this row, we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. And for this row, we're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got the 8 there, so 4 and 8. All right, so that's it for today. Come back again tomorrow when we will work on the next puzzle.